Hello, my name is Ryanccolcord. I'm a realtor with Marples and Associates. I'm also a showing agent for the Marples Property Management Team. As a showing agent for the Marples Property Management Team, I'm presenting viewings on an average of 3 to 7 homes, rental homes a day. I also process about 3 to 5 rental applications a day. As a realtor, I hear many stories about why people tend to not buy a home and decide to rent. Number one is owning a home is the plan. We intend to rent for about 1 to 2 years, save some money, and get our credit in order. The reality about this is, in fact, that most people actually won't. One of the best ways is actually to save money through building home equity. That is paying down a principal balance while simultaneously increasing your appreciation. There are very few people who have the discipline to save and work on any necessary credit restoration needed to buy a home. Not to mention, over time, historically, home prices will continue to rise. For example, what were the home prices approximately 1 to 2 years ago compared to today? Even if you could stick to the disciplined structure plan, the best way to prepare is to set up a free, no obligation consultation with a reputable lender to help establish that plan. Number two, interest rates are way too high and we are waiting for the market to calm down some before we decide to buy. Here's something to consider. Do you know what the current interest rate is on a rental property? If you're renting, it's 100%. Secondly, if rates go down, home prices generally go up, so you tend to find yourself in a situation where you actually end up never making a move. As a home investor, I would never rent again unless it was the absolute only option possible. Lastly, you can always refinance if rates drops. The best option regarding this, again, is to set up a free, no obligation consultation with a reputable lender to help identify where you're currently at purchase power and payment wise. The number 3 reason is our credit isn't good enough. And this actually may be the case, but I find that people with credit challenges, again, never take the first step to consult with a reputable lender to find out where they're at and obtain the proper consultation to even know what they need to do or to work on. My first home purchase was in the early 2000s. I didn't know what to do. I met with a lender, provided me a free consultation, reviewed my credit, my income, my asset situation, which at the time was definitely not good. A few tweaks and several phone calls later on some items on my credit report, I was pre-approved in about 9 months for my very first home. That home later became a rental investment, which then became a home owned free and clear, which became a rent to own option for some tenants, which turned into a seller carry financing note, which where we collected the interest. That turned into a repurchase and a flip, to which led to another home sale. Again, this all began with the free lender consultation. All this to say, I strongly encourage you to meet with the lender for a free consultation, see where you're at. There's no harm, it's free. Even better, I would like to invite you to one of our free home buyer and lender workshops and informational presentations. See the link below if it's provided, if we have an updated one, or contact me for some information on when our next home buyer workshop will be. Love to help you get into your home soon.